Hi, my name is Dr. Faiza Khan and I'm a practicing homeopathic doctor from Mumbai, India. Homeopathy offers a wide range of scope in a lot of ailments. The cases that mainly I would be dealing on this portal would be related to women's health and children. So, when we talk about women's health, it includes right from your menses to your menopause to your reproductive problems to a host of ailments. But when we talk about women, they always tend to keep their health at a back foot and they feel it's really okay to not be okay. So I have not got my menses for 3 months, it's fine. I am very anxious before my menses, it's okay. I am not able to deal with a lot of things and get angry, or maybe I'm hitting my menopause, it's okay. And a lot of time and energy is wasted by not dealing these issues and postponing them. And I have seen a lot of women around doing this. When we talk about women health, it includes right from delayed menses, painful menses, to the most common ailments which we see in a lot of young girls today, which is PCOS. PCOS does not only hamper their reproductive cycle and physical symptoms like acne and obesity, but also hampers them on a psychological level by they are always depressed, anxious, and because of the weight gain of facial hair and acne, they lose their confidence to face the world and achieve to the ultimate best which they can. And when you go talk about modern system of medicine, the treatment offered is mostly OC pills and metformin. But we have seen a lot of cases on homeopathy in which by administering homeopathic medication we can avoid external hormones, and we have seen a wonderful cases where PCOS has totally recovered and totally reversed. In sonographic reports, testosterone levels have come down to normal. Symptoms like acne, hirsutism, and absence of menses have been taken care of. A lot of women are not able to conceive and get pregnant because of PCOS. A lot of those issues have been corrected, and a lot of women have, been able to be pregnant and have a healthy child. And a lot of women have also, repetitive UTIs every month, and they just feel it's okay. I'll drink water. I'll just add some vitamin C in my food, and they keep postponing it for more than half their life until they realize this is something which needs treatment and can be treated. And the pain and the discomfort that they have can actually be resorted. So this is to all the women out there. For all your complaints, please kindly first educate yourself and try to read up, try to ask people around what is normal. And once you know what is normal, you know what's abnormal, and you know when you have to reach out to help, and you should ask for help and get yourself treated. And homeopathy has a wonderful scope in all of these.